Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find guys where the fuse for the central locking system is located for the door lock system as well. You guys actually have two fuses that you need to check. One is in the fuse box inside, one is outside, so we'll cover all that today and we'll explain how to test the fuse as well to know 100% for sure if that fuse is good or bad. So let's start on it now. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the foot where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So, we showed you where the fuse box is inside. What we did, we took a picture so we can zoom in and show you on the camera where the fuses are located. Actually, okay, without doing that, we cannot stick the camera, my hand, light at the same time and show you guys where that fuse is located. So, what do we need to check now? Okay, we need to find a fuse that's called door lock fuse, guys. It's a 20 amp fuse. So, if you come to the third row, 1, 2, 3, and go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that 20 amp fuse, okay, right here, that fuse is the one guys for the door lock central locking system of your car guys. If the central locking doesn't work, check that fuse, that's that 20 amp fuse. If you don't know how to test them guys, we have a special video that teaches you how to test the fuse in just a few seconds and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So that being said, let me explain guys. We have another fuse located in this fuse box in the engine compartment. You can see you have one tap here, one there, grab, pull, okay, and on the back side you have the fuse numbers printed, okay, so you can see, okay, what we are actually talking about. But the fuse guys, okay, that we need to actually check now, okay, it's known as a fuse B3 guys, IPB3, IPB plus 3. So that fuse guys is that 50 amp fuse. That's a multi-fuse that is used for multiple components guys. So okay, that fuse is very important for your car. So if that fuse is bad, okay, and you need to replace it, what you need to do, you need to properly disconnect the car battery guys. If you don't do it the right way, you can, okay, damage your engine computer, electrical system and electrical components. So we have a special video that teaches you the proper way which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, so you can avoid that costly repair guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.